We're gonna find out.
Dirty Birdie, are you afraid of me?
We're gonna find out.
I bet Megan is the middle scariest. He's the less scariest, and I'm the scariest.
I wonder what's gonna happen when they meet. Well, Birdie, you better hide, okay? Because we don't know. I think Megan wants to eat you.
Hey, Dirty Birdie, look at me.
Dirty Birdie, you need to hide.
She's probably.
Dirty Bird.
Look at me. I am a skeleton.
Dirty Bird. Skeleton. He just like repeats things. Hey, Megan, wake up.
Megan, look at me. We're both scary. Look at me.
What is that?
A skeleton pajamas.
What?
They're pajamas.
That's scary. We want you to meet somebody, Megan.
And it's Dirty Birdie.
Who?
Dirty Birdie.
I know that guy.
Don't look this way. Look that way.
Let me look over here.
No. I'm saving you, Dirty Birdie. Stop.
Dirty Bird. He's hiding.
Dirty Birdie, you can come up.
Dirty Bird.
And Megan's not here.
Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird's hungry. Dirty Bird wants some worms. Who's that?
Don't let her eat you.
Is that Megan?
Yeah.
She tried to eat me at the factory. Dirty Bird.
Well, she's not gonna come eat you.
Well, let's let them meet. They gotta at least meet. You wanna let them meet?
Megan, don't eat Dirty Bird.
Okay, come over here.
First you gotta meet, okay, Megan?
All right. You gonna? What do you normally say to people? Good morning. Good morning. Dirty Bird. He's just a bird. I know what I like to do. I like birds.
Don't eat him.
I like birds. For dinner.
Dirty Birdie.
Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird.
Dirty Bird, don't worry.
He doesn't. I don't think he even knows what's going on. He's not that smart. Dirty Bird's hungry. Oh, I'll get you something to eat. An apple in your mouth when I cook you.
Dirty Birdie, you know what? She's not really gonna eat you.
Oh, yes,
For real.
I am.
I know what you're gonna do. Don't talk to me like that. I already know what you're gonna do. Stop. Do it.
Remember, he bites.
Megan, are you hungry? Here, eat this.
Can I just eat one of Dirty Bird's legs?
Nope, eat my hand. Eat my hand.
It doesn't taste good. I like chicken.
I'll put some chicken on it. Here's some chicken on it.
I want that chicken. Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird.
Get away from her. Hide.
Megan looks nice.
She's mean.
I want to tell Daddy a secret.
I am telling him a secret.
I want to tell Daddy a secret. Okay. Dirty Bird's just an innocent bird. He doesn't know what's going on.
Go. Hide. Hide.
Hi?
Hide.
Hi.
No.
Hello.
No.
Hi.
Just hide. She's mean and I'm trying to hide you.
I'm gonna get you.
Wait.
You have big muscles.
These aren't muscles.
You can't get me. You can't get me. Liana's protecting me.
No.
Those Those are almost as big as Daddy's!
These are bones.
Wow.
I'm scarier than you. And watch this. Get where you were. Stay there. Sit on Daddy's knee. Don't eat her. And you need to start to learn to be nice. Be nice.
Good morning.
Be nice.
Be what?
Be nice.
What does nice mean?
Like, be good to someone and don't be bad. And don't eat people. Don't
But I like to eat birds.
Don't eat. You can only eat food, and I'm gonna let you eat my hand.
Birds are food.
No, they're not. Birds are not food.
Chicken.
Nope. Eat my hand.
I want to eat
instead.
that wing over
No.
there.
Eat my hand.
Dirty bird.
1. Eat my hand right now.
Tastes like chicken.
Then eat it.
Help! Dirty bird's getting eaten by Megan! Help! Help! Help!
Part. Megan, I'm gonna tell you a secret. No.
What?
Now do it. Do it.
I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm gonna tell Megan that I'm going to dirty bird that I'm going to kiss her, but I'm really gonna bite her.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. I would like to kiss you. Well, I don't see a problem with that. Why not? You seem like a nice bird. Come here. Okay. Promise you're just gonna kiss me? Fiona, should I trust this bird? This bird has a big beak.
I don't think you should trust him.
All right.
Don't.
Maybe it's been 6 minutes.
Who's that?
Sure.
6 minutes. Time to go. Help! Help! Help me! Help me! 6 minutes, guys. Time to go. Help me!
I'm stronger than this.
Okay, we got them.
Now.
All right, they're good. Okay, that's good. They're
I
done.
want